Everyone thinks the YouTube algorithm hates small channels. They think you need subscribers. They think you need luck. Or they think YouTube is rigged against new creators. But here's the truth in 2026. The YouTube algorithm doesn't care about your channel size. It doesn't care how many subscribers you have. It only cares about one thing: the viewer. Once you understand how YouTube thinks, you can grow even with 0 subscribers. Let me clear the biggest myth first. YouTube does not promote videos based on subscriber count. It does not promote videos based on channel age. And it does not promote videos based on how many videos you've uploaded. In 2026, every single video is treated like a brand new product. Even the biggest creators start from 0 on every upload. So how does the YouTube algorithm actually work? The algorithm is not magic. It is a prediction system. Its only job is to predict one thing. If YouTube shows this video to this person, will they enjoy it or not? That's it. No favoritism, no luck, just data. Now let's talk about the real signals YouTube uses in 2026. The first signal is click-through rate. This means how many people click your video after seeing it. Out of 100 people who see your thumbnail and title, how many actually click? Your title and thumbnail are the first test. If people don't click, YouTube stops showing the video. No click means no chance. The second signal is watch time, not views. Minutes watched. A video with fewer views but higher watch time will beat a video with more views but low watch time. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform longer. So the longer people watch your video, the more YouTube trusts it. The third and most important signal is audience retention. Audience retention tells YouTube whether your video is worth finishing. If people leave in the first 30 seconds, YouTube quietly kills the video. But if people stay, YouTube aggressively pushes it. Retention equals distribution. This is why the first 30 seconds of your video matter more than everything else. The fourth signal is viewer satisfaction. YouTube now tracks how people feel after watching. Likes, comments, shares, saves, and even feedback surveys. If viewers feel satisfied, YouTube shows your video to more people. Happy viewers mean more reach. The fifth signal is session time. This is a hidden weapon most creators ignore. YouTube loves videos that keep people on the platform. If someone watches your video, and then watches another video after, YouTube rewards you. You win by keeping people watching. The sixth signal is topic consistency. In 2026, YouTube categorizes channels by viewer expectation. If you upload random content, you confuse the algorithm. Clear topic equals faster growth. Clarity always beats variety. The seventh signal is early response. When you upload a video, YouTube tests it with a small group of viewers. If that group clicks, watches, and stays, the video expands. If they don't, the test stops. Small test leads to big push. Now here's the truth small creators need to hear. Small channels are not disadvantaged. They are free. Free to experiment. Free to improve. Free to grow without pressure. One great video can change everything. You do not need to go viral every time. You only need one video that works. So what should you do from now on? Obsess over the first 30 seconds. Make one clear promise per video. Deliver value faster than expected. Remove every boring moment. And upload for humans, not robots. The algorithm rewards creators who understand people. If this video changed how you see YouTube, share it with one friend who's struggling. And if you want honest, no fake guru growth advice, subscribe to this channel. Because, in 2026, the YouTube algorithm doesn't reward luck, it rewards understanding.